Hi, I'm Scott and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the MX100 HOBO Temp. The MX100 is a low-cost splash-proof data logger that records temperature. The unique feature of the MX100 is that you program it and download the data wirelessly up to 100 feet away using Bluetooth Low Energy and the HOBO mobile app for your iOS and Android mobile device. The small streamlined case design allows you to easily deploy the MX100 in a number of applications, including damp environments and spray-down applications. The wide temperature range of -30 to 70 degrees C with an accuracy of 0.5 degree C allows you to deploy this in very cold or hot applications. There are two visual LEDs on the MX100. The green LED shows you that the logger is recording, and if you set an alarm threshold and the temperature goes outside of range, the red LED will also blink. The MX100 can store 30,000 measurements and has a typical battery life of 1 year. Once you've downloaded the data to the free HOBO mobile app, you will be able to see a graph of the data as well as share the data with other apps like Excel, Google Drive, or Dropbox. We also provide a HOBO file that can be used with our flagship desktop software called HOBOware, or you can automatically send that data up to Onset's free cloud solution called hobolink.com. Be sure to check out the MX100 HOBO Temp today on our website.